What's up guys, and welcome back to Tom Does Details. In this video, I'll be doing a deep clean and maintenance wash on an Audi SQ5 that I ceramic coated 6 months ago. I'll be showing you how I wash the car while keeping the integrity of the coating. So let's get started.
So like our other details, we're going to start with the wheels first. And today I'll be using a wheel cleaner by Geon called Iron Wheel Cleaner. The cool thing about this wheel cleaner is that it can remove ferrous materials such as brake dust and other metals, and it turns purple as it reacts to it. If you guys are wondering what products and tools I'm using in this detail, I leave all the links in the description below. As always, if you are new, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified about future detailing videos. After all the wheels are clean, I start the pre-wash step. Here, I have a foam cannon filled with Geon foam diluted 1:5. Now I let the foam dwell on the car for 1 minute before rinsing. This loosens up any dirt and dust and will help prevent introducing swirls to the paint. Now that the car is all rinsed, we'll move to a 2-bucket hand wash. Now in the bucket, I have Restart Wash by Geon. This is a great wash to use for coated cars. It actually helps remove the embedded contaminants while improving the hydrophobic properties of the coating. And remember, when hand washing, you want to always start high and end low, as the dirtiest parts of the car are typically down low. I'm also rinsing the mitt periodically in my rinse bucket. Now the front of the car had some bug guts, so I'm using a bug sponge, putting it in that same bucket and just working it by hand. I'm also using a detail brush for the logos and emblems. You can see here that the hydrophobic properties of the coating are still intact. Alright, so now on to drying the car. Now I'm using a ceramic detailer here. It's by Geon, and I'm using it as a drying aid. So what I'm going to do is spray it onto the wet panel before I wipe it with my drying towel. Now this does two things. It helps lubricate the panel a little bit more to prevent any of those swirl marks, and it also is going to add slickness, gloss, and adds a little bit of hydrophobic properties. Now that the car is all dried, I'm going to bring it inside and I'm going to finish it up by dressing the tires. I'm using one of my favorite tire dressings. It's by Ammo NYC and it's called Mud. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Now let's take a look at the end result.